Everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Wonderland Pond. We are going to be doing some more unboxings today, as you can see. So without further interruption, I'll go ahead and let the video play. We are going to go ahead and be reviewing as well the Meleden, M-E-L-E-D-E-N, air purifier for home with filters. And I will go ahead and try to include a link in the description box below. If you have not already done so, please go ahead and like and subscribe so it helps the YouTube algorithms. And with that, let's get unboxing. With my handy dandy box opener over here, I was able to finagle it, and this top purple container here didn't want to cooperate, but we made it. So let's go ahead and move on to the next. It's like Christmas morning. Uh-oh. Here we go. We have our first box of shirts that we ordered. So we will go ahead and do our inventory on it once we get everything set up completely. So for now, I am just going to put it over here. Let's go ahead and move on to the next. The next item is going to be that air purifier. Superior ionizer. Meleden is the brand. So we have a USB plug over here, and we're going to just go ahead and plug it in. And we're all set. We can get that good air flowing up in here. All right. Let's see what's next. Just because things have been coming over the last few weeks, but I didn't want to open anything just ahead of time. I wanted to wait for my Stall's Hotronics to come in and then go through and open up everything. That way you don't feel left out. All right. Recycle. Something that I personally ordered, but hey, I'll show you anyways. Just a little cast iron cooking pot, and let's see what's next. Actually, my cutter, sorry, my rotary trimmer, I figured it would be a little bit smaller than that, so that is awesome. Something else that I just ordered off of Amazon. Let me go ahead and put it up there. And we are making progress. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedules. Please, again, like and subscribe so it helps the YouTube algorithm so you never miss an episode of what is coming up. Have a great day.